Welcome, Mohansh Technologies. Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to be starting about quantum computing. So we know about the classical computing and classic computing, whatever it may be. That is the general computing system. But nowadays, this is the emerging technology, quantum computing, to get a faster experience with the data flow. So you have to handle the huge amount of the data, trillion records. Okay, so that kind of records, whenever you're trying to keeping into the data engineering techniques and all, so the data is going to be a very vastly increasing and highly increasing. So and that much data, computers are not able to analyze and not able to give the predictions, all the things. Like, you have the data science, you have the artificial intelligence. But more than that, there is another computing system which is going to be came into the picture with the qubits. Okay, qubits and multi-qubits, whatever it may be. So there are multiple other things we have to discuss about it later. And coming to the quantum computing, so what are the different techniques which are going to be available in this? Let's try to understand one by one. Okay, so introduction to quantum computing, a new frontier in the technology. And coming to the key features of the fictional quantum computing, unraveling the mysteries of quantum reality, superposition dynamics, quantum link technology, time wave simulations, and come to the how quantum computers operate, the engine driving infinite possibilities. The engine driving infinite possibilities. Infinite possibilities means, see, something is not possible. If the data is very huge, some applications are going to be hang. That kind of situations did not happen with the quantum computing. And Christos gel cooling and quantum state core, and here, fictional applications of quantum computing. What are the different kind of fictional applications? Quantum defense grades, quantum healing research, space mining simulations, AI genesis platforms, so pioneering solutions, tomorrow challenges. So this is emerging, and tomorrow's computing system. We already using the classical computing. We already working on classical computing, but here zeros, either zero, either one. So we know the bits, right? So normal computers operating with the machine code, that is something like zeros and ones. But in the quantum computing, there is no concept like zeros and ones. Here, zero, either zeros, the computer will take either zeros or either ones, which is going to be qubits. So later we will discuss about it. Benefit of fictional computing, the power of limitless innovations, and come to the challenges and limitations, overcoming the barriers to the unlock the future, quantum ghosting, energy overload. Okay, coming to the current state of fictional quantum computing achievements on the path quantum supremacy. So, Earth Mars quantum network, quantum net expansion, corporate pioneers, AI integration. So, anyway, future vision of fictional computing system, quantum dreams, infinite possibilities. We already know that. So, this is there is no limit. There is no limit for the quantum computing. So, it can heal the things. Ethical and social implications, balancing progress and responsibility, and quantum privacy, access, integrity. And what are the features? So our Mohan, our Mohan's Technologies is going to be having a specific features like learn by working, workspace atmosphere and learning, master skills with the real-time work and concepts, practice, still you become master in your quantum computing techniques. And let me know, real-time coding challenges, 100% job placement assistance, 100% interview preparation with different kind of coding challenges. So anyway, we have the Python programming language here called QISKit. So later we will discuss about the Python programming for that, and we will deal about the quantum computing. And definitely you should have 70 to 80% mathematics, like linear algebra, important for this. So mathematics is a major part of the quantum computing. After the mathematics, we have a programming skill called Python. Anyway, we are going to be dealing all the mathematics from scratch to master level. At the same time, all the Python code from scratch to QuizKit level. QuizKit is the library, so I will show you what is the QuizKit and all the things. And dedicated placement support we will give you till land your job, your dream job, whatever it may be. Okay, so let me show how the job market for the quantum computing nowadays. Okay, let me try to open LinkedIn first. Okay, you already know that LinkedIn is the master for the job research. Okay, let me search quantum computing jobs here. So when I search for the quantum computing jobs here, let you see hundreds of results coming: quantum device researcher, quantum computing developer, quantum processor design engineer, quantum researcher, experiments, all the things. And come to the one more website, Naukri. So you know that Naukri is most popular website for the job search, job researchers. And here also 6,457 quantum computing jobs are there. So let me change the experience here. So I am changing the experience 0 to 2, even 0 to 2, 0 to 17. Okay, okay, let me keep the slicer later. I'm keeping the slicer 0 to 4 here. So I'm keeping the slicer 0 to 2 here. Even 0 to 2 also 1,571 jobs are there. QuizKit developer, QuizKit software developer, project consultant, quantum computing professionals. See, even freshers also can able to get the jobs. If you have the experience, already you're working as a data engineer, already you're working as a cloud engineer, already you're working with the Python programming or machine learning engineer, Gen AI engineer, whatever it may be, upgrade your skill with the quantum computing. Definitely you will be having the good marketplace in the India level or any other foreign country level also. So I will open one more portal, Shine. Can you see Shine? I search for quantum computing here. You will be finding 3,472 posts they posted. And let me go with the time jobs. Time jobs also, actually, I'm searching for quantum computing in India. So can you see that? 23,553 jobs they are actually giving. And let me go with the Indeed. So I go with the Indeed. I'm searching for the quantum computing here. You will be finding a number of openings. Can you see this? If you scroll like this, a lot of opportunities which are going to be available. You can easily apply, and definitely we will support you how to get the job, and how you can able to place in the companies and all. And we will take some mock-up interviews also after the syllabus completing. And let me search for QuizKit. Okay, QuizKit Python. Okay, let me open the QuizKit quantum computing here. Yeah, so this is the official website, IBM. Yes, IBM's. IBM actually developed this particular QuizKit library. You can see here this library developed on Python coding only. Okay, you should be good in Python. You should be very good in mathematics. So all the linear algebra from zero to expert level, we will teach. We will teach, don't worry. We are going to be giving the technical skills on quantum computing from zero level to master level, expert level. So this is our official website. If anybody want to know about the quantum computing or about the free demo kind of thing, you can come to the Mohansh Technologies. Our Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing a lot of courses, a lot of other courses also. Like we are in the market to deal the IAM technologies like cybersecurity related, the most demanding technologies. This Mohansh Technology is giving, and we will be having AI courses. We will be having the Gen AI course, and we will be having the quantum computing, other blockchain technologies also. So thanks for joining. We'll see later about the what is quantum computing and all. So in the next session, I am going to be giving you the syllabus of the quantum computing, and after that, we are trying to giving the n number of classes on quantum computing also. Thank you for joining. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you. Take care. Signing off.